Listen to me. I'm Maeve De Voe, the world's first princess pop star, and I'll be showing you how to do any image as text in CapCut. I'm currently working on my music video for Days Are Shining English version. Please go watch that. I'm not sleeping over how hard I'm working on it. As you can see, the rainbow markers are not actually text. They are overlaid videos. So I'll be showing you how to do that. You're gonna make a new project and you're gonna type in black screen. So now we have a basic black screen, but we're gonna change the aspect ratio to whatever we're editing. Then we're just gonna type whatever the word is and we're gonna try to match it to the project's theme, which if you're wondering what this is, it's noodle. And I made the text green because we're gonna be using it as like a green screen. Now we're gonna export it. Okay. Make a new project and this time select the photo you want the text to be. I want my text to be rainbow, so I'm gonna do that one. Now go to overlay. Select that video we just did. You're gonna go to remove background, chroma key, and you're not doing the black, you're doing the green, which will give you exactly what you're looking for. Okay. Now, trim it, export again, go back to your project, which by the way, look how cool this is. And you're gonna select overlay. Select the text, go to remove background, chroma key, ta-da! No way! You got your text. I also did this exact same effect with my giant this dun dun part. Let's see if it lags. Yeah, so you get what I mean. But it's so good for music videos, lyric videos, any kind of promotional videos if you're an artist like me. It's also really good if you want your text to be behind a PNG. So like let's say I have, oh, there's so many layers. Let's say you have, like me, you have a PNG of your artwork of yourself and you want the text to be behind you so it's like really impactful and like it's a big lyric, right? Like write my story. I'm writing my story about my life. I'm the girl, I know it. So that kind of thing. You're gonna do the exact same thing, but instead of selecting the green text, you're just gonna select the background and just have your text exactly how you want it and import it as an overlay. So you don't have to do the extra step of doing the green text chroma keyed and then doing the black chroma keyed. It's just straight up doing the black. But yay, that's how you do it. Go watch this music video I'm working on. It is the most effort I've ever put into a music video. I am giving you good luck for whatever project you're using this for, and I hope that you succeed. Listen to me.